right, team, here we go. So I just wanted to show you my entries and my exits. So this first trade was all caught within the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. And again, they are the only group that I trade with and that watch me trade live every single morning. So I bought my first 100 shares at 117.01. It began to indicate signs of an uptrend. I added more to my position size at 117.16. And then again, as we began to see more signs of an uptrend, I added more. It pulled back a little bit. It was kind of like break even. I was down a little bit. It consolidated. There was no break of pattern. It was just flatlining, and then it continued to uptrend. Again, overall, natural gas is selling off, so the overall direction of DGAZ is therefore in my favor. So that was something that was playing in my favor. I locked in profits at 117.65. Yes, I did lock in profits about $1 too early. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. It was my first trade. It doesn't really matter. It pulled back. It began to indicate signs of, this potential reversal. I added 200 shares at 117.42, and then another 180 shares at 117.10. It barely broke below 117, so my loss at one point was very minimal. Altogether, it began to push up, began to show signs of an uptrend. Why? Again, the overall direction is in my favor. DGAZ is pushing up as natural gas is selling off. I locked in profits, as you guys saw, at 118.26, hitting my daily goal at $566 profit just within 1 hour of trading. I took my first trade at 7:40, my last trade at 8:27 a.m. And again, that's the beautiful part of allowing an opportunity to present itself, not forcing the trade, and yet always making sure that you keep some form of risk management in mind. If you guys want to join us tomorrow for the natural gas live trading session, it's one of my favorite days to trade in the stock market. Again, I'm going to put the link down below. I'm going to give you guys $40 off the Learn Plan Profit course. If you guys like what you see on YouTube already, I'd love to have you as a part of the team. And again, that gives you access to the full A to Z video lesson library. That gives you access to the private Discord chat where you can message me any questions as you're going to have questions as you're learning about this new market. And then on top of that, I am one of the only people that trade live literally every single day. So if you guys would like to see that every single day, I would love the opportunity to work with you. And again, that is that first link, $40 off the Learn Plan Profit course. And again, let's stay consistent. Appreciate you guys' time. Make sure to drop a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.